All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a little bit of math, but before we get started, we're gonna do a little song about the Eency Weency spider. That means he's a little tiny thing. Do you guys know what this thing's called? It's a water spout. If you have a house, you might have one on your house, but it helps drain the water when it rains. It helps drain the water off of the roof. I don't have one at my house. I have different spouts because my roof is flat, but if you have a roof that goes like this, you might have them. They're usually at the corner of your house. And that's called a water spout because that's where the water comes down. Eency Weency spider, here we go. Look at him. The Eency Weency spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Eency Weency spider went up the spout again. The water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Eency Weency spider went up the spout again. The Eency Weency spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the Eency Weency spider went up the spout again. The Eency Weency spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Eency Weency spider went up the spout again. Okay, we're just going to review really quickly our flat shapes, or we call them 2D shapes. See how flat they are? Okay, I cut them all out in paper, so yeah, I'm a little different. What's this guy? Circle, got it. How about this one? Heart, good. How about this one? Oval, good. And this one? Triangle, good. This one? Ooh, pentagon. Pentagon, how about this one? Looks like a kite, doesn't it? Diamond, good. And this one here? Square. And this one here? Rectangle. And how about this one? Which way does it go? It doesn't really matter. I don't know. I don't need to make this one very good, but anyway, it's close enough. It's called a hexagon. Hexagon, can you see that okay? Hexagon's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices or corners. We're also going to review our 3D shapes, okay? These are called solid shapes, not flat, okay? These are solid. And the part I want you to look at is this part right here. What's the shape of that? We don't say circle. That's that flat shape, okay? This is a sphere. Sphere. Okay, that's a sphere. Okay, and then we have our cube, right? Cube, okay. And I just ate some of this morning and noticed, I could show that to you guys for our what shape? There's a circle there, flat circle there, and then it's roly, roly, roly. Cylinder. Can you say it? There you go, cylinder. Cylinder. And then last but not least, I keep this in my little baggie, is my, you probably remember, what? Yes, has a flat shape. If I put a piece of paper there, it'd be flat at the bottom there, right? Circle there, and a point, and that's your cone. All right, and these are all solid shapes, okay? And you have a little bit of review on the solid versus flat shapes today. All right, let's go through a few numbers, okay? And here we go, we got 57, 53, 50, 58, 54, 52, 56, 59, 38, 55, 32, oh no, 35, 35, 37, 32, 33, 31, 60, 48, 46, and 40. Okay? All right, let's do counting today, but we'll just count, let's just count by fives today. That's the hardest one. Let's just do that one today, okay? So let's do it with 5 fingers. Okay, we go crisscross our arms. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We have been talking about longer versus shorter and things that are the same length. And we've been talking about taller or shorter, right? To compare things. Today we're going to be talking about weight. So the words that we use are heavy or heavier, and also light or lighter. Well, if you don't have the things in your house, you're going to have to just think about, boy, how heavy is that, or how light would that be? So think about, if you don't have this kind of tape, think about tape. It's pretty light, okay? So think about how much this would weigh in your hand, like you put it in your hand. And then put something else in your hand, let's say like a book, okay? So which is heavier? Would a book be heavier or the tape? Right, the book. The book is heavier, and we say the tape is lighter. Okay, it's lighter, and the book is heavier. Okay, but let's keep the tape, and let's compare it to something else. What if we had a paper clip? Just a little paper clip. You guys have had those, have felt those in class, right? So now I have the tape and the paper clip. Now which is heavier? Right, now the tape is heavier when we compare it to the paper clip. And we say that the paper clip is lighter. We say it's lighter, and we say that this is heavier. Okay, let's try something else. What if we had a stapler? Now you guys felt those staplers in the classroom. This one's kind of broken or something. Okay, so there's a stapler. Okay, it's kind of heavy. What if we compare stapler to a crayon? Then what? Right, the stapler would be heavier. Okay, and the crayon, how do we explain the crayon? Yeah, the crayon we say is lighter than the stapler. It's lighter. The stapler is heavier than the crayon. Okay, what if we had the stapler and the book? Okay, yeah, probably now the book is heavier and the stapler is lighter. Kind of depends on the book, really. Okay, all right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got Jacqueline's old backpack of hers. Now, right now, she doesn't have any books in it because she's not going to school, right? She's doing all her work on the computer at the house. So it's empty, but still it's a backpack. Okay, so it does have a weight to it, right? Okay, what if I have the backpack and a little tube of paint? What do you think? Yeah, the backpack is still heavier and the paint is lighter. Right, we say it would be lighter. Okay, what if we had the backpack and the tape? Yeah, still the tape is going to be lighter than the backpack, and the backpack's going to be heavier. Okay, all right, and so that's what you're going to be working on today, the words heavier and lighter, and kind of thinking, boy, if I had those things in my hand, which one would be heavier and which one would be lighter? Okay, and you can kind of compare some things around your house. Pick a couple different things up and see what is heavier and what is light. So that's it for math today, okay? You're working on your weight of things, all right? Okay, well, over and out. If I don't see you today, actually I'm not gonna see you today because I'm gonna be at school helping disperse and hand out iPads, okay? I know there's a couple people on the list this week, and then I know there's a few of you on the schedule for the third round, which I don't have a date yet, but when I get it, I will let you guys all know. Okay, so I'm gonna be at school all morning tomorrow, and so we'll see you back again here on Wednesday, okay? All right, over and out, take care. Got any questions, give me a call or text me, okay? Bye, we'll see you tomorrow, okay?